Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for a home with a very large backyard? Are you wanting to create your perfect backyard, whether that be, gardening, whether you want to put a pickleball court back there, basketball court back there, or even a really awesome pool, guys? Well, this is the home that you want to see because not only does it have a really large backyard, guys, but it has a really nice purchase price to it too. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababayans. I am Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you're brand new to my channel, I go on all of the brand new construction communities here in Arizona, and I showcase their model homes as well as their move-in ready homes, guys, and I speak a little bit about, incentives and what they have to offer as far as the builders go. I also do area tours as well, so do me a favor, if you like what you see, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, guys, and follow me in all of these new construction home tours, okay? And hey, if you're planning to purchase here in Arizona, I would absolutely love to help you. I have helped numerous buyers already purchase here, so I would love to be a part of your journey. So today we are in Casa Grande, and the community that we will be touring today is Reserve at Tuscany, okay? Reserve at Tuscany will be touring Century Complete, and the model that we'll be touring today is the Catalina model. Okay, the Catalina model, beautiful name, is a three bedroom, 2 bath, 1,656 square foot. I've toured numerous homes here, and I have a couple videos I'm going to release in the future in this community. And that's just because the homes here has really massive lots, guys. So whether you want to, create a huge or do some gardening in the back, okay? Or if you want to put a pickleball court, because that's huge here in Arizona, basketball court, if you want to put in a really nice pool and just make your backyard into your own personal oasis, guys, this is the community that you want to invest in, guys, because not only is the lots really nice and also the homes are really nice, but the lots are really massive. So you have a 3-point crowd there, guys. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video because we will be talking about the HOA. We'll be talking about the community itself, what it has to offer, what are the main roads, where's your nearest grocery stores, what does Casa Grande has to offer as far as like what activities goes, nearby cities as well, proximity to the airport and Phoenix City itself. So stick around for all that, and I'll explain all that at the end of this video, okay? With that being said, guys, let's get this home tour started. Okay guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, that was the Catalina floor plan. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,656 square feet, and it is lot number 8. Now I say that because there are some, ethnicities and cultures that really are picky about the lot number, west facing or east facing. So, but that is lot number 8, so very attractive. So I wanted to point that out. And that backyard is massive, right? Let me know what you would do with that backyard in the comments below. So let's talk about the HOA, guys. Okay, so the HOA is $125 a month, okay? And that covers, your walking trails, it covers your common area maintenance. So that's what that 125 covers, okay? As far as average lot size, guys, average lot size, you're looking at about 13,000 to 15,000 lot size, okay? So that's over a quarter of an acre lot. So it is massive. The total price for this home, guys, is $317,990. Okay, so that's the number right there, and that is out the door. So who is Century Complete? If you haven't heard of Century Complete, guys, they are spec builders. And if you're not familiar with that term, again, spec builders are, pretty much what you see is what you get, right? So everything's already been chosen. All the floor plans, they pretty much go with the same flow in each and every one of their floor plans, as far as the cabinets goes, the countertops goes, all of that is the same. Okay, there is no option for you to come in and change anything. So if you wanted to do an upgrade, if you wanted to do some modifications to the house, that would be post closing. But Century Complete is a spec builder. Things to know about Century Complete too, guys. So Century Complete, to put in an offer or to reserve that lot, you actually go on their website, okay? So if you go on their website, they actually have a list of available homes, and I've done this with my other buyer, but they have a list of available homes. So if you really like one home, this one specifically, or another one that you've seen, you want to click the buy now button in their website, okay? You necessarily are not obligated to purchase when you click the buy now button, okay? But at least with that, it reserves that lot for you because you have the intentions to purchase that lot, okay, guys? So that's how Century Complete operates, okay? You buy or you reserve that property or that lot online. So time is of an essence because you have all these other people also looking at the lot, right? So if you like the lot, definitely reserve that online, okay? So what is there to do around Casa Grande? So Casa Grande and the various cities around it, there's actually quite a few activities, okay? So just to name a few, you have a Skydive Phoenix, which is in Maricopa. So if you like skydiving, that's really cool. You also have an ATV tour that's in Florence, and also in Florence, you also have this winery. So that's really good too. If you like wine, you can go wine tasting there. And in Casa Grande, they have some really cool stuff. So such as a Casa Grande neon sign park. So what they did was they salvaged all these older signs and they have refurbished them. And now they light them up at nighttime. That was a little bit of a tongue twister there. And they light them up at nighttime, guys, so you can see it. So that's a really cool activity there. You have the Promenade at Casa Grande. So if you want to go shopping, that's where all your shopping is going to be and all your retail stores are going to be at, okay? Pert Park is another park that's popular there in Casa Grande. Really nice park where you can go and just walk there, bring your dogs there, the kids can have a playground there, so that's really awesome, okay? So those are a few activities that you can do there in Casa Grande and also the various cities around, okay? Neighborhood Reserve at Tuscany is right next to East Florence Boulevard, okay? East Florence Boulevard, guys, is one of the main roads that run across Casa Grande, and there you'll find the malls. So Casa Grande malls, there, all of your restaurants are out there, and then you will also find your grocery shops are out there as well. So as far as location wise, the Reserve at Tuscany is actually in a really great location, okay? So that's really awesome. As far as proximity to nearby cities, right? So let's say Coolidge, if you travel more south, you're about 25 minutes away to Coolidge. You're 40 minutes away from Tucson. And with that being said, you are also 40 minutes away to Phoenix, guys. So that's really cool that you are in between two major cities here in Arizona, okay? Chandler, you're looking at about 25 minutes away, and with Chandler, you have their neighbor, which is Gilbert, okay? And also proximity to the airport, guys, you're looking at about another 40 minutes, okay? So Phoenix Sky Harbor and Phoenix City itself, they go hand in hand because they're right next to each other. Okay, so about 40 minutes. As far as incentives, the builder's offering $8,000 credit to the home buyer, and the lender is offering another $3,000 credit if you're going with a government loan, so FHA, VA, okay, USDA, or if you're going with conventional, it is a 2K credit, okay? So there's a lot of incentives given to the buyer as well, guys, so that's really, really awesome. Casa Grande, I could say that it is always growing. There's so many builders out there, guys. You know, just to name a few, you have Scott Communities, Hillcrest Communities, you have KB Homes, you have DR Horde, you have so many builders out there, guys, that is building. So, you know, I would suggest if you're planning to purchase, definitely purchase now, because in a couple months from now, for up to a year, guys, you're going to see some really good equity because there's still so much to be built out there, okay? So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, this is a great lot, guys, to consider. Definitely let me know if there's any way I can help you, or if there's anywhere that I can help you in any other lots or homes that you are looking into, whether it be the West Valley or East Valley, guys. Again, I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey. Definitely don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, guys. And with that being said, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.